Hi Khilku, Assalamu alaikum. So we are here in our own house. Papa Khan is here as well. And you guys say we don't want to watch your Pakistan vlog because both of you speak too much Urdu. He even don't know that much Urdu. He only speak for you. So yes, from now on you can speak English and I'm gonna speak Urdu.
I was speaking English down there.
Yeah, he just comfortable with English. Anyway, me and Papa Han going to do some shopping, some work. Stay with us. Guess what? Mr. Khan did a blunder again. A big blunder, as usual. This man always do something. I'm so much in a bad mood, honestly. So we come out from the house on the motorway. It's M4 between my house and Cardiff. Come on the motorway. Suddenly he decide to buy socks and shoes. He say, "Oh, I'm gonna buy socks and shoes. Can you stop on designer outlet?" I say, "Okay." Soon I come to the designer outlet. I say, "Okay, the petrol is low as well." It was about £20 per diesel in the car. So my knee is really bad. My knee was really hurting. So I stopped to the Sainsbury petrol station, which is here. And guess what? I say, "Okay, my knee is bad. Can you go and pour some diesel in?" I say 2 times. Diesel di kha? Diesel di. In Pashto I say, "Diesel di kha? Diesel di." And you know, on my cup, the fuel cup, is big says diesel. Big word, diesel. He just go out. He said, "Tank full kam? Tank ko full karu?" I say, "Yes, full ka." And I was looking here, there. There was a 2 nozzle. One unleaded, one petrol, one diesel. And then he say, "Okay, done." He pay by the card. I drive the car. The car was jiggling. I quickly looked to him and I say, "Sadipaki, what have you done?" He said, "What have I done? I just put petrol in." I say, "Petrol?" He said, "Yes." I say, "I ask you diesel. 2 times. 2 times I ask you diesel." I say, "And the cup, it says big diesel." He said, "I didn't look to it." अब आप बताएं मुझे मैं क्या करूं इस आदमी के साथ. He got such a comfortable life, honestly. I'm fuming. I'm fuming. How he can do that? A well-educated person, brought up in UK. Okay, mistake do happen. But I asked him 2 times to put diesel in. And then the cup say, big sign, diesel. So thanks God, I just the roundabout, I quickly come back and park the car here. And I go, AM membership, I call them. And they say, it's only 10:30. And they say that, sorry, the area you are breakdown is very busy area. So the AA team gonna come 2:15 to you. And I called quite few private people who sorted out this problem. And they said that, "Oh, sorry, we fully booked. We're gonna come 4 p.m. So now he asking me, "Let's go. It's a Starbucks there." He knew that I love Starbucks. He said, "Let's go have some TV and coffee." Nafia was waiting for us. We supposed to go to the appointment. And the appointment was for his friend's sponsor letter. So appointment भी ये था कि खान पापा के फ्रेंड के लिए स्पॉन्सर लेटर भेजना था. सोलिसिटर के साथ अपॉइंटमेंट. और आपको पता है इधर सोलिसिटर का अपॉइंटमेंट भी नहीं मिलता. Honestly, I'm so fed up of this guy. Always doing mistakes. Always. तो अभी मैंने कहा जाके उनको कह दो कि हम अब 2:15 तक इस आप लोगों के सर्विस स्टेशन पे खड़े रहेंगे क्योंकि ये प्राइवेट प्रॉपर्टी है। तो अब वहाँ गया है। नाफिया में बेचारी मेरा वेट कर रही थी क्योंकि पहले हम नाफिया के घर जाते थे। सो वी गोना पिक नाफिया अप, देन वी गोना गो टू द solicitor to send sponsor letter to Papa Khan friend, and then we supposed to go to the Papa Khan feet treatment. Everything is messed up. And then it was my appointment, my doctor appointment. All 3 appointments is messed up now. I called them, I cancelled the appointment for tomorrow, rearrange it, and now he's coming here. Look at him. I want to bang his head now.
We pretend kolari with the delivery nishta. No, so should you be able to go
Telugu है तासोकड़ा
माँ इस मुनक माँ बस तेल पके वाचे
तेल दे और तात मासू विले 2000 चिसोका
ता इस हमने दी मान न दी
instead of sorry you still
अगमा अर्स कंप्लीट करके चे उस पर कैमरों के होने चाहिए
वो है कैमरा क्यों है sorry हम
ना सारी खो यम करना वाले चमाए इतिहास तो ना I did something wrong. I say I'm sorry. I'm sorry I did it.
How many times you gonna say sorry?
As a human being, you know, millionth time people does mistakes, and it's happening.
Why you do too many mistakes?
No, I don't do too many mistakes because my life is very limited. I'm not involved in too much things like you. And that's why
your life is very easy. Say it, no limited.
Nice.
Very easy, very relaxing. Because I got a wife who does everything for me. Say that, innit?
Yeah, that's another thing.
Yeah, no, say it.
When you partner, so it work like that.
It work like that. And what I want from my partner.
Yeah.
So your partner give you easy life. Now, when you gonna give your partner easy life?
Is it? Come on, hurry up. We go there. We in the restaurant. It's
It's no restaurant. It's a cafe.
Cafe. We will eat something, drink something. Is my Nafia coming?
Yeah, Nafia is coming.
Okay, come on.
So soon Nafia find out. Oh my God, may Allah give everyone daughters like mine. Alhamdulillah. Even my daughter-in-law, the best daughter-in-law. So I got 5 daughters. They are the best. And soon enough I find out that mama's upset and she said, I'm coming. I told her, don't come. She said, I'm coming. We're gonna chill. Don't worry. I'm gonna take you to the designer outlet. And then Maliha find out. Maliha said, oh, I'm coming. I said, no, Maliha, you're not coming. And then Sumaya find out that what Papa did, and Sumaya said, oh, I wish I'm there. What gonna happen? Sumaya is the one who is the childish one. She's, what gonna happen? How you gonna stay there for 2:15? I say, I'm gonna be okay. Mistake भी करता है और फिर मानता भी नहीं है. कहते हैं ऐसे होना चाहिए, वैसे होना चाहिए. So now he basically says the manufacturer should make car like that.
No, they do. That's the thing, they do. The nozzles are different.
ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हर कार में ये facility.
वरना ये मिस्टेक नहीं होती. उसमें नोजल इसलिए छोटे लगाए हैं क्योंकि इसमें ऐसे न हो कि कोई आके मिस्टेक उसमें डीजल.
सुनो.
Yeah, that's happened. It's a common problem. That's why they put the before they never used to put the diesel or
No, they say big, blue, diesel.
Well, his daughter-in-law did it.
His daughter-in-law is thick as hell.
Can't blame me for everything.
Papa's so cute. What? What you say?
We can't blame him for everything.
He just said sorry to me. Now he regret.
But pepper style. Jangan putih pada. Cakap muka cabai rosta. Our work was our show. We were so scared of losing keys. Because of mama.
Papa Han Losky, he parked the car in wrong place. He always booked each of every camera in Cardiff. He checked is working or not, because each of every camera booked it.
But
So one day,
you know
said,
now,
why every camera
mama's
booked?
making little mistakes as well. Just little mistakes.
Honestly, Nafia.
Now you do.
Like what?
You lose your keys many times,
I didn't lose my keys. I put it in same place and then I'm looking for it.
and you get the same place. Yeah.
هو كنت pushing شعور ده بتاعك جرانتي ده أقل mistake بس كان كده. I see your limit.
ما أخو بابا. That's what's ناوي واپس أغني ماما. ماما this is that. ماما she's perfectionist. شاغينا نفسها mistake وش كنا.
زبيا وكلام كان سر. داما mistake كردي. زبيا نكو.
Mistake ده فقط نيجي
That's so personality very different to mama. You laid back. You're like, it happened.
मैं अगर एक mistake करूँ, if I did one mistake, then I remember for years that mistake.
Yeah, but you know why? People like you then have health issues.
Yes, I got
People
so
like
many
Papa
health
is-
issues.
It's chilling.
He's chilling. He's chilling.
It bounds like that as well. He's like, oh, it's done.
He's done.
The government put on a restriction. Instead of دخلت mistake the budget, public mistakes
The one who missing Pashto vlog, so now it's too much Pashto in this vlog. Anyway, my sweetheart Nafia is here, so everything is for reason, and I enjoy that now. She's spending day with us. Isn't it?
Yeah, the Starbucks.
Huh?
Got in a Starbucks.
Yeah, I'm having my vanilla latte, consumed. Papa's having his drink. Nafia, what are you having?
Brown bread.
Hey, हम अपनी लेज़र क्लिनिक में हैं। आपको पता है मैं लेज़र थेरेपिस्ट भी हूँ, और ये मेरा छोटा सा लेज़र क्लिनिक है। ये छोटी सी लेज़र मशीन है, और चले आज हम नाफिया का लेज़र करते हैं। लेज़र अपने लेज़र क्लिनिक में, ठीक है? चले शुरू करते हैं। कुछ गड़बड़ हो गई है, कुछ हो गया है, बताने वाला नहीं है। चले नाफिया लेज़र शुरू करते हैं। Machine is skin rejuvenation and permanent hair removal.
my spots, okay?
चलो तुम जरा थोड़ी सी बकवास कर लो, मैं मशीन को ऑपरेट करती हूँ।
Bhagwan. Hello. So I've been doing laser for... Look, Malia did my eyebrows and she literally cut them. She took so much off. When she's in pain, she can't do things. So I've had my laser done since I was 20... No. 19. No.
Yeah.
20.
20.
And because I've got PCOS, it just doesn't... It was really bad. I had a proper... I was proper Nafis.
I'm in my laser.
I was Nafis. I wasn't Nafia. I was Nafis.
Nafia's laser.
But yeah, it has reduced. You know, definitely reduced. Are you ready, Ma?
Yes.
Okay. And look at this. This, like I never get spots, right? And this is some. I used a really crappy cleanser. There's viral on TikTok, and it did this to my skin. So Mama's just doing the intensity and basically doing the whole thing.
So we started. I apply the gel first. It's okay?
Mm-hmm.
और अब हम and now your full face laser is done. It's slightly pink. That's it. हाय खलको, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कल तो इतना ज़्यादा व्लॉग नहीं बना सकी, so yeah, I'm so confused. Few of you say speak in English. few of you कहते हैं उर्दू में बात करो, and I really don't know how to make you guys happy. चलो दूसरा कोई पार्सल आया है, तो अभी मैंने मेकअप शेकअप कर लिया है. You know what, I'm so comfortable with Urdu, but just because of you, I'm posting vlog in English. So we get ready, and now Papa's going to buy some parts for the lawnmower. So let's go. तो आप लोग कहते हो कि English बोलो. All of you say speak in English, and now can you see the comments? How many comments are there? Mama, why are you speaking English? Please, उर्दू में बात करें. What can I do, man? पर मुझे आप सब बहुत प्यार करते हो ना, इसलिए कभी कहते हो उर्दू में, कभी कहते हो पश्तो में, कभी कहते हो इंग्लिश में, क्योंकि इससे पता चलता है कि मेरे जो यूट्यूब फैमिली है वो हर जगह से है, सिर्फ यूके से नहीं है. अगर सिर्फ यूके से होती तो फिर इंग्लिश ही कहते, फिर सिर्फ ये नहीं कहते कि उर्दू में भी बात करो. नाफिया आज नहीं है, आप लोगों को एक किस्सा सुनाऊंगी, पर ओह माय गॉड, इस ब्लॉग को ख़त्म करूं तो फिर आप लोगों को किस्सा सुनाऊंगी कि क्या हुआ नाफिया बेचारी के साथ. नाफिया के साथ बड़ा जुल्म हुआ. मैं अभी रेसिपी बना रही थी, ये मेरा छोटा सा रिंग लाइट है रेसिपी बनाने के लिए. एंड इन दिस व्लॉग आई एम गोना स्पीक अ लिटिल बिट उर्दू इज़ वेल, क्योंकि मेरे जो उर्दू स्पीकिंग फॉलोवर है वो खफा हो रहे हैं. प्लीज़ थोड़ा सा, ये देखो ये पापा का हाल है. पापा ने टीवी ऑन छोड़ दिया, लाइट ऑन छोड़ दिया. साथ मैं हैरान हूँ कि इस आदमी को क्या लगता है, लोगों को ये डांटता है कि बेचारे जीशान को डांटता था कि तुम सारी लाइटें ऑन छोड़ देते हो, खुद हर जगह पे टीवी ऑन छोड़ देता है. गुस्सा आ रहा है, फिर गुस्सा आ रहा है. चलो ला हौला वला कुव्वत पढ़ लेती हूँ. तो ये देखिए, ये बुके मुझे किसी ने गिफ्ट किया है, कितना प्यारा है. और मेरे ये सारे फ्लावर भी ख़राब हुए हैं. मैंने अभी कुछ भी घर में इतना ठीक नहीं किया है, बस वैसे ही है. पर क्योंकि जब से मैं आई हूँ मुझे बुखार चढ़ता है. एक दिन मैं ठीक होती हूँ, एक दिन फिर बुखार, एक दिन बुखार, एक दिन ठीक. और जिस दिन मैं ठीक होती हूँ उस दिन मैं इतनी वो आप लोग फिर कहोगे कि मम्मा ये ना कहना कि गश्त करती हूँ, पर हमारे पुश्तों में गश्त कहते हैं कि मैं पुश्तों में हम गश्ती, हमारा पुश्तों में बुरा लफ्ज़ नहीं है, हम गश्ती उसको कहते हैं जो कि हर जगह फिरती रहती है. तो लेकिन उर्दू में ये गश्ती का वर्ड बहुत ख़राब है, तो हम फिर मेरे बचूंगड़े कहते हैं. मेरा आज टांग का बुरा हाल है, मैं आज बिल्कुल गॉड, मेरी ये जो टांग है ना, इसमें इतने क्रम्प्स आते हैं कि मैं 10 मिनट से ज़्यादा खड़ी नहीं हो सकती हूँ. फिर मैं बैठती हूँ, और मैं सीढ़ियाँ तो कल से बिल्कुल नहीं चढ़ सकती. इफ़ आई गो 1 flight of stairs, oh, I'm out of breath and I don't know, but my leg is killing me man. तो अभी ऊपर जा रही हूँ, असर की नमाज का वक़्त है, नमाज पढ़ती हूँ और फिर इसको व्लॉग को यहाँ ख़त्म कर लेती हूँ. फिर दूसरा व्लॉग शुरू करती हूँ कि नाफिया और मेरे साथ क्या हुआ. बहुत ज़बरदस्त व्लॉग है. चले, सी यू इन नेक्स्ट व्लॉग. अल्लाह हाफिज़.